This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, last class we've been talking about deserialization. We have seen when to use simple deserialization. We have seen when to use complex deserialization. For a simple JSON, use simple deserialization. For a complex JSON, use complex deserialization. Yesterday we created a simple JSON and we tried to deserialize with a complex method, which was quite long. Today, let's go ahead and continue the same deserialization that we have been doing. Rupam @of91, password cia no india 1234 hash. Right? Let us continue the yesterday's class, the deserialization, what we did. So I log into my setup, click on developer console. Okay, let me close it. It's not coming properly. Okay, still the page is not coming properly here. Right, I need to get the labels, but here it is, it's hiding. Last and final time, let's close it and open it once again. Developer console. No. So let me open this here. Let me okay, now it's coming up. Okay, perfectly fine. When I zoom out, I can see. Okay, there we go. Now let's do. Yesterday this was a simple JSON. Yesterday this was the simple JSON string. We have two ways to deserialize: with a simple, with a JSON class, complex with this. Now today, let's take the same example, and this time the string will be this, complex. I'm saying, right, controls, I'm copying the class name, I'm creating one more class, file, new Apex class. I will say 0707, example 1, parser. Right, Apex class, illegal name. Why? File, new Apex class. I will say 07, right, 0707 eg1 space. I'm removing it. Control C, submit. Perfect. Right, I'll be copying it from the yesterday's class, right, till here. Right, let us copy this. Right, is that what I'm copying? Let me copy the, right, that's perfect. I'll copy till the string. Control C. Let me Control V. And there the method closes. Today's this. This is what the string is given. By looking at the string itself, it's a complex, because I have two accounts, three contacts. Two accounts, three contacts. It's a long string. How can I consume it? How can I consume it? One. Now let's understand. Step one. What is that? First step. The first step is always create a JSON parser. system dot, what is that? JSON parser, JP, JP equals to, oh, not new, why? Equals to JSON dot create parse. Where is the string? Our JSON string is here. JSON string. If we just put JS here, whatever the name, it's a variable. Perfect. This is the first step done. What is the first step? Create parser. Here the parser is JP. I've created the parser. Next, step 2. Step 2. What is the step 2? Parser is done. Once the parser is done, what the parser will do? It will create token. Check whether the parser was successful or not. It was able to create a token or not. Whether it was able to create a token. Right? So, what I will say? Loop for token if exist. Check if the token or not. Immediately I will take what while loop. Check. JP is my parser. Dot next token. Is it not null? If it's not null, that means, right? If it's not null, right? Hey, just give me a sec here. While JP dot next token is not null. If it's not null, that means system is able to do this. Right? Parser means creating. So if the string was parsed successfully, the token will exist. That's not null. That means token exists. Token exists means this JSON string was parsed successfully. That means line number 16 was success. Right? If it's success, then only I'll proceed, or else I will not proceed. Right? If the system is not able to parse this JSON string, this long JSON string that I have at line number 14, right? If system is not able to parse this long, because here I'm parsing, you can see that JSON string parsing. If system is not able to parse, then right, I will not proceed. So that's the reason I'm taking while jp.next token is not equals to null. Perfect. That means if it's not null, if there is a 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, there is a number, system has parsed the string. Parsing means converting to a token. So that means system was able to convert this whole values. Yesterday class I was showing you tokens. It was able to differentiate, right? Text value, text value, text value 1, value 2. System was able to do this. Now, if it's able to do it, then only we'll proceed. 2. Loop for exist. If token exists, then only we'll proceed forward, or else we'll not. Now, right, what do you want to do? Right, so question, what do you want out of this? Do you want the status code? No. I will say if the status is success, then only I will fetch the account. If the status comes as failed, then there is no meaning going in the token. There is no meaning going further in the token. Status itself is showing fail, right? Requirement, guys, right? So what I will say, right? I can go ahead. Whatever you want now immediately. I don't care this status code. I directly want the account. If you feel, then go ahead. If what? This is if JP get text will bring you the text. Get txt because everything label is a text. If dot get text is equals to what account? Account. If JP dot, then system will come here, right? Where is the next value? The next value itself is this whole. Where is this? Sorry, it's a too much long string. Its system is shuffling here and there every time. Okay, let me use a shift on the keyboard. This is the value. This is the value. Label is account. There are two values. It is the next token. In the next token. So I will say JP dot next token. Next token. The next. So I'm in account. What is the next token? Next token itself is the value. This is the next token. Next token. Further, system will divide this token into, let's say that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.1, 6.2, it will start dividing. As I told you, we cannot see that. System is doing it internally, indexing. We cannot see it. So if JP dot account, JP dot text is account, then JP dot next token. In the next token itself, we have a value. In the next token, I have a value. Value is more than one. So I will say list. List of account. List of account. List of account. Right? So list of account. List of account what? ACC equals to. What is that? You have to cast. It's a list. It's a list. So I'll say list of. I'll copy this. What is that? JP dot read value as, because it's more than one. In this is the value. There are two accounts are there. That's the reason I'm taking list data type. One is list. Read value as. What is the value as you will read? You will read again as account list dot class. Read value as, see, system dot apex type. I will say write account dot class. Over. See, Control S. No error. From this whole string, I took the account out. Now what I'll say? I will say create ACC or insert ACC. Over. How simple is to find the account data and create an account. Similarly, I want to create contact also. Again, if here, while token is not null, if what? If JP dot next dot JP dot get text is equals to what? Get text, get the contact. All the labels are text. Then go to next token. System will be standing here. What is the next token? Next token is the value. Three contacts are your value. I'm in this token. What is the next token? Immediately the next token will be this. Whole is the next token. So more than one list. So I will say JP dot next token. JP dot next token. JP dot next token. right? JP.next token. Now here, what I have a list of contact. I will say CON, right? Same list of contact, right? List of contact equals to, I want to cast it. Whatever the value that I will read, I will cast it. List of contact, right? List of contact. JP dot JSON parser dot read value as what? List of contact dot class. Once it's done, system will read as a list. I will say insert CON. See, how can I read a contact and account from a complex? Simple step. Only this. Step 1, create parser. Step 2, right? Loop if the token exists. In that, next step, what is the next step? Find the required label. Requirement. I want to create account, so find account. If after that, when you find the account, what is that next? Move to next token. Move to token for values / data. Once it is done, then convert to required the data to REQ UIRE required SFDC format. I'm converting it account. Last step, do whatever. Now the data is available. Perform the action. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. Same thing. 4, 5, 6 is repeating again here. Right? 3, 4, 5, 6 is repeating again. Find the required label. Move to the next token. Convert the data. Perform the action, whatever you want. See? Over. How simple is to deserialize a complex data using a JSON parser. I think if you use a JSON now, only JSON parser class, so much easy. If you use JSON, then system will create a problem. Now you see that, right? Control Shift P, right? Sorry. I mean, okay, click on Execute Anonymous, scroll down, right? What is the class name? Class name C class equals to C dot method name. What is the method name? This. Execute it. Right? Required field missing. Right? What is that? While creating a contact, required missing. Right? We'll come there. But account got created. Right? Let's see. While creating contact, right? While creating, wait, please. While creating a contact, in contact, first name, last required field, you know that? See, we have only first name, but in contact, what is the field? Last name. So I will take last name field then. Just I'm changing it, okay? Because last name is a compulsory field. LAST, last name. Last name. Control C, Control C. I'm changing the data itself. 3 contacts, right? How many? Last name. Last name Ram, last name Sham. I've changed the data. Control S. File, debug. Because whenever you create any account or a contact, compulsory fields are always required. So execute highlighted. Now next step, you should be able to see accounts. 2 accounts and 3 contacts. See how it's easy to do with a JSON parser class. JSON class. Right, let me go to the account. Let me see account got created. Yes, you should have seen. These are yesterday's, these are today's. Same if I go to contact, I should be able to see the contacts coming up there. Ravi, Ram, Sham. See, Ravi, Ram, Sham. 65577. Same thing what I have. 556677. See, from combining how easily I get it by using a parser class, JSON parser class, right? Parser class. We will do one more example. Now you wait. One more example. Let's assume that a string is given to me like this. String is given to me. JSON string. What JSON to me? JSON string. JSON string is equals to. That this is how the data is given to me. This JSON is in a flower packet. Let's assume. Here it is broken given me. Last name. Keep on watching. I'm creating for you. I'll take only one account. This is a string given to you. This is a string given to you. How can you deserialize it? This up, right? Let's do this. I'm creating one more. I'm closing all this. I'll write catch. New. This is the third time I'm writing, so by now clearly catch it. Everybody should be able to clearly catch it. If not, then you're lagging behind. Integration. So keep on focus. 0707 underscore 2 underscore PARSER parser JSON JSON PARSER parser JSON parser. Right? JSON parser. Let's say that. PUB, right? PUBLIC public string. What is the name of the string? JSON string. JSON string is given to you. Next, public void convert convert or read JSON data. Method I'm writing. String is here. This is a string given to you. Can you create account out of it? Can you create account out of it? How many of you are confident that you can take the account data out here? How many of you are confident that you can take the account data out here? From I want to create an account. Where is the account? Name Dell phone 2222. Forget about that. First step. Can you create account out of it? How many of you are confident that?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. We can.
Somebody said, one girl said yes. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Two. Those who said yes, now you will guide me. Okay. Let's. What is the first step? What is the first step? Tell me.
JSON generator, sir.
Create JSON parser. System dot JSON parser. JP equals to what? JSON dot create parser. What's the string? This is the string given to you. This is the string given to you. Same name. If you put A, string A, then here also A. A is given to you. First step. Everyone, once again, I'm getting fed up with writing this, but you're still not able to. What is step one? Create JSON parser. Second step. What is the second step? Tell me. Tell me.
While
Immediately check whether the parser is empty or not. Step two. Step two. Loop. If parser is empty. What is that? Parser means token. JP dot next token. JP dot next token is not equals to
Null.
This is a common step. Step two. If it's not null, that means system is able to parse this. That means step one was successfully done. Parsing was done successfully. because if it's not null, that means there is a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If there's a number, that means system was able to read the data. Otherwise, if while reading the data itself there's a problem, then system will never even come here. So while it is null. Now we'll do to create what? Account. Here the account is called customer. Let it be. If what is the step 3?
Customer not
Find the
customer.
required data. Step 3. Find what you need. Find what you need as per business requirement. I need what? Customer. So if what is that?
Account equals
jp.getTech.
JP.
jp.getTech is equals to what? Equals to customer. So system will see in the parser, it's able to find anything called customer. And tech table with called customer. Yes, it found it. It will come here. Immediately move to the next token. Next step, jp.next token. Because next token contains the data. Step 4. Go to the next token or step for a value. Perfectly fine. Now read the value. Over. What type of data is an account data? So I'll say account. List of, right? This is it a more than no, it's a single data. It's more, take a list. Now it's only one data. Then what I'll say account. CC equal car parset. Cast is account. JP dot read value as always. Take read value as what? Account dot class dot class over. Go to the next token. That means now read the value. Step 5. There it is called customer, but in SFDC, I'm reading the value and I'm converting it to account. It's SFDC type. Account is in SFDC. Now, what to do? Right? Go ahead, consume the data. Last step. Or action. What do we perform? See, over. Control S. Perfectly fine. Done. See, 6 steps. 6 steps. Answer is over. Can you see? Right? Class name. L equals to new class name. L dot method name. Execute it. Done. See, account have a del. See, del. 222. Del with phone number 222. I consumed it. See, to take the meaningful information out. Read value as, read value as, read value as. Able to understand, yes or no? Now you understood? How many of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How the parser is so easy? It's easy. You want to read this value. This is a number, you start quotes. How you will read it? Let's read this. This is done. I'm reading additional data now. Same step will repeat. Already parser created, so I need not to create it. Already I'm in the loop. I can start find what you need now. Salary. Find. If what? If what? If what is that? JP dot get text. If JP dot get text is equals to what? Salary token. Next token. Now you have the value. I will say D. Decimal SL equals to, I have to cast as a decimal. To cast as a decimal. JP dot, I will not say read now. Read is used for account list. I will say get boolean, get decimal value. See, decimal, get decimal value. That's it. My salary is in decimal now. System got debugged. Over. See, over. Over. How can I read this last name? One more. Again, what do you want? Same step, third onwards, it will repeat. Find what you need as per the business requirement. I need to know the first name. If is that JP dot what is that? Get text is equals to what is that? First name. Then JP dot next token. The next token. Now I want to read as what? String value. Sorry. So I'll say what? String what? Name. String emp name equals to. You want to cast, right? String. Somebody told me, remember, sir, already this is finished. again casting as a string, right? I said, yes, you are correct. Now use that. JP dot GET get what? Text. I'm not casting. Here I'm casting as a decimal. Here see, I'm not casting. If you do a casting also, no issues. Right? Because it's a text. So again, I'm reading as a text only. What do you want to do? What do you want to do now? System dot debug emp name. Control S. See? Now I'll run this class. WIPRO Wipro. Phone number is 4444. Control S. Debug. Open execute canvas. I'm running the same class. Let us see the output. See, Rupam and 2,500, 25,000, sorry. Plus, when you go to your account, you should Wipro with 444. Wipro with 444. Perfect. The whole class is in front of you now. Whatever you want, you can read the data out. These are, if you don't want, don't do it. I'm repeating the same step again everywhere. See, if jp.next token, jp.get text token. That means step, right? 3, 6, I'm repeating everywhere. Got it, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Perfect then. Right. So now I'll give you a homework. Do it. HTML, XML based. Everybody knows how to serialize a JSON, how to deserialize a JSON. If you want to give, you will serialize. If somebody is giving you, you will deserialize. Take the string to this string, right? You will do. Everybody can do it, right? Yes. Anybody feels that they cannot do? If you feel that no, I cannot do it.
Rupam, I'm so sorry, but your call was disconnected. What
Can
is
you
it?
repeat again?
What to repeat?
Homework.
Then again, I didn't give you the homework. Just asking you, right? Are you all confident how it's working? The step 1 to 6.
No, my internet
Yes.
is very stupid. That's why.
Don't worry. Then
Hello?
watch the video. Watch the video. If your internet is slow, then watch the
Yes,
video.
Rupam.
Right? Okay. Now I'll give you a homework. I'll give you a string and you convert it. Right? You convert it. Oh, I can give you something. Okay. Can you convert this string? Right? What I want name of the places. Only take out name. This one. Any more name in this line? No. Up, there's a name. Name. Because we'll be doing this. We have to deserialize this when I go practically live integration. Then the same concept I will use. Right? The same concept I will use. Right? I'll use the same concept. Same concept I will use. If you can deserialize it, it's well and fine. I want to get the list of all the names. My output from this is delivery places. List of places where you can deliver this pin code. Under this 788-781, which are the places you can deliver? In Boropunji. You deliver in Latu. You can deliver in Mahishashan. You can deliver in Patu. You can deliver in. I want these names to be picked up. Only the names. I don't want anything else here. I want the place names. These are the name of the places. From this JSON string, can you pick it up? I'll give you a simple one. Let's go ahead. Right? Because I'll be taking this up. Let me take it. It's too much big. 500001. Our GPU too big. Can't pick it up from here. Okay. 50000. I'm taking Miapur pin code. This is small. Pick up all the name from this. From this JSON. This is the JSON string I'm giving you. JSON string equals to pick up the names. Name Matrushi Nagar. Next, any name? No. Next name Miapur. Any name? No. That's it. Only two names. 500049 is and Miapur, Hyderabad. After Kokatpally Housing Board. Miapur. That's it. JSON string and take the name out of it. First homework. There we go. I do that. Tomorrow, I will still continue with serializing and deserializing. I will show you. Now we are seeing how to receive a data, but to send a file. Right? What is the integration? Sending of information can be data like this. Last name Rupam Chakravarti. But there is an image. How can I transfer an image through a JSON? How can I send an image to a JSON? There is an attachment. There's a file. I want to send this data, this Word, this Excel from one system to another system. You have seen how to send a data. Information, but how to send a file, that's what we'll deal tomorrow. I told you I will take this level of integration. Right? Believe me, you will never find such anywhere. Next level. We will see how to deserialize an attachment, how to serialize an attachment. Both serialization and deserialization of an attachment. both serialization and serialization of an attachment. I will do that. I will upload a file as an attachment and then I will deserialize it. I will send it. Then I'll ask you to, serialize it, send it. System will receive. We will only send, we will only receive. Both sender and receiver for the moment is we. We will be sending from Salesforce serialization. Who will be receiving? Third party is that. That's also Salesforce receiving it. We'll deserialize it. The way I'm showing deserializing for inform data, same way this class will be a little bit tough, where I'll take you and I'll show you serialization of attachments, blob file. It's called blob. Serializing blob, deserializing blob. How to do that? We'll see tomorrow. Simple. Right? And once tomorrow's class is done, day after tomorrow onwards, we'll be on XML. If you remember the diagram, there are two universal format, JSON and XML. Somebody was asking yesterday HTML. I told you, wait, let us complete this and then we'll jump. So then we will start XML. Once we know both the format, there also serialization, deserialization, same thing, right? But different, completely different programming, right? So there also we will see how to serialize, how to deserialize XML file. What is XML? The way you have seen just XML. Once we are perfect in creating a JSON and deserializing a JSON, then we will see how to send this information, how to send the information over the network. Practical live integration I'll do from one system. For example, this postal code. We'll get the postal code from postal code, all the same Matrushi Nagar, Miapur, same exercise I'll do. Right? So we will do it. Able to understand, guys? Yes, everyone. Yes. Can you deserialize this? Right. Get from the string that I pinged you.
Example 1.
Sorry?
Yes, sir, we try. Yes, sir.
Just try, give it a try. Don't worry, I'll do it. If you're not able to do it, don't worry. Or else I can give you one more string. I can create one JSON. You can create by yours. Deserialize this string. Okay. That's it for today's, guys. Let's meet tomorrow, same time. So till then, have a nice and wonderful day. Carry on, guys. Bye-bye.
Sir, in the